Hello my students, I'm Simon Tayongwa. Welcome to my channel for yet another exciting lesson of the English language. Just like a medical doctor, I have my scalpel blades ready to dissect the language so that you see the intros and the structure thereof. Thumbs up to all the subscribers and all the viewers. It's you who keep me going. Let's get started. Today, I'm zeroing in on verbs, but for the sake of those who are currently joining us, our main subject is parts of speech. So far, we have covered nouns, a bit of verbs, and today we are continuing with verbs. Verbs are divided into two main groups, which are main verbs and auxiliary verbs. The main verbs are subdivided into transitive, intransitive verbs, regular and irregular verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. And the auxiliary verbs, that group, the other group, because I've said they are divided into two major groups. So the other group, the auxiliary verbs, is that group is subdivided into modal verbs and helping verbs. We have to understand that verbs have got types, just like the tools box of a mechanic. The tools box of a mechanic is full of different types of tools with varying sizes for different functions. But all the functions serve one main purpose. Examples I've given you, you can see that we have a variety of tools that are meant to serve one purpose. We are not worried about the sizes. We are not worried about the shapes of the tools. We are worried about the execution of duty. So a verb, no matter the variety of aspects or the conjugations, its syntactic function remains the same. We have a subject, a verb, and an object in a sentence. We cannot talk about verbs without talking about tenses. There are 3 time frames and 4 aspects of tenses. And 3 by 4 gives us 12 tenses. So a verb is affected by time. A verb is only stable here and now. Once you talk about yesterday or tomorrow, there is conjugation. If that verb is irregular, there is additional information that lets us know that this action happened yesterday or this action will happen in the future. So in the next lesson, we are going to talk about tenses. We are going to talk more about finite, non-finite verbs, transitive, intransitive verbs. For now, thank you for attending class. Hope to meet you in the next lesson. Goodbye.